You are welcome back to this side of the screen. I want to show you how you can identify or locate a post on your YouTube homepage. So whenever you see a community post or a post, you will know that this is a community post on YouTube. So to do this, you have to what? Open your YouTube app, for wait for it to load. So on the interface or homepage of YouTube, you will be scrolling up to look for a post. So let me show you. If I see any of them, I will show you here on YouTube. There are many ways to find or locate a post on YouTube. So the first one is that we'll be looking for it on the YouTube homepage or YouTube feed. That is where we can see what a community post. So let me show you. Okay, for instance, I've seen one. You can see this particular place. This one is a post on a community post. You understand? So this is how you can watch. This particular one is a post. You can see it has like and dislike. It has share and message. So this is how a post look like from is one of my mentor, Verb with Sonia. She is very good woman, I must say. She is the one. Her content are so always educative and and encouraging. So that is one thing I like about her. So this is one of the community posts. So another way to locate a community post on your YouTube feed or on your YouTube homepage is to what? Come to this subscription. Click on this subscription. So if you start scrolling on this subscription, you will still see a post. For instance, you see this one now. From this, it's still the same person. No, from Simple Emanuela. He said this is a community post. You can share a text, you can share a picture, you can share a video, you can share your video link. So to make it more easy, if you want to look for, if you have a creators that you want to search for them post, or I can use myself as an example. So you come to this search bar, click on this search bar. Let me use this creative K. If you click on this creative K, you see, then you visit the channel. Then you visit the channel, the YouTube channel. So click on the YouTube channel. So after clicking on YouTube channel, you will see home video short, you will see playlist, you will see live, you will see playlist, then you will see post. Click on this post, you will see all her posts. This one, she posted this one 2 days ago. As you can see, this is a community post. This is a community post. She shared a video. This is a video that she shared, but it's still on her post. You understand? So you can share a video, you can share a post, you can share anything you like. You understand? Okay, for instance, now you can see from here now, this third one, she shared a picture with a written word. She has 473 like, share with a 67 comment, and you can still share this. So this is how to locate or find a YouTube post on your YouTube channel. So depending on who you want to look for the post, is the subscribe, the person that you subscribe to is or a channel that you are looking for the post, or you want your own. If you want your own post, let me see, for example, now me Kevinco TV. So if I come here, I don't even need to come here. My own, normally if I come here, I will search for Kevinco. If I type my name, Kevin, so I click on it, it will bring out my picture. So once it will bring out my profile, or what? Okay, you can see it will bring out my profile. Then I visit my page, then I will locate my post. You understand? My post. Then if I click on this post, you will see all my posts. This is 6 days ago. I created a poll. You understand? This is it. 11 days ago, I created a picture with this. So this is it. So this is how you can locate a community post on your YouTube channel or on your YouTube homepage. So easy. So if you find this video interesting, you can like this video, leave us a comment, and turn on your notification bell, so whenever we post, you will be notified. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.